wallers out here. Two off the 3-footer. Probably when someone makes a wake way down yonder and they marries up with some of this wind-driven waves. They get a nice big roller and splash through. So I didn't do any sailing yesterday because it was just way too gusting up to 24 knots. It was sustained 18, 20. Just insane. It was all white caps out here. This is all lake of white caps. Had a few today. Not a ton. Damn, I love it here. It's damn hot. It's just get really hot. It's starting Thursday, 2 days from now. Today's like perfect temperature. Nice like 77, just 78. I think it's like 77, 78. And not much has changed at the resort or the beach, the marina. It's the same. That's a nice little roller. Well, we're out. So I'm gonna say a few words as I'm out here carving up the rest, a couple more laps today. They said the Colorado River, before they dammed it up, created all these lakes, then turned into, you know, sediment, basically to settle out, just get the sediment, all the particulate muddy matter. After it goes to the Grand Canyon, it's just super, super muddy. And so they'd say, the early pioneers said it's too muddy to drink and too wet to plow. That was the saying, traditional saying of the Colorado River. Now the water's fairly clean in all these lakes and clean in the rivers, the bodies of water between the lakes, except for the Grand Canyon. It's still pretty, it's churned up pretty good, but it's dropping. Who knows what's going to happen to these lakes in the future? Obviously, will outlive me. Having all this fresh water turning into a real commodity. Sea levels rise, and the water becomes all the water in the world is salty. Desalinated drinks to use it. Well, anyway, that's all I have, the wisdom I have for today. Catch y'all on the flip side. Alright, day 2 is sailing on Lake Mojave. Same as yesterday. Winds are a little bit lighter, but I'm going to stay reefed. Still got the storm jib up and the main's reefed. But cooking along good. Doing easy 5 knots, pushing 6. But I don't know what the wind's going to do later today. It's going to start heating up today. Heating up more and more. It's going to be 2 days, it's going to be over 100, so that's what I'll leave that morning, Friday morning. I can't really sail. I mean, even if it's windy, it's just too hot to sail. It'll give me 3 days, so 1 more day of sailing tomorrow. And I got my fixture for at least a few weeks. Go ocean sailing next. Anyway, another beautiful day on Lake Mojave. I really like this place. I really like sailing it. It's fun. And out here, the last day of sailing. Last couple hours. A little island. Little islands. Rolling into a cove. Before we tack. We should do it before we hit dead water. Dead air. Not too much wind today. We got a full main and full jib. Here we go. Going for attack.
He was balled up right over here, getting warm off the pavement.
We were sitting there talking. I looked down. I said, "Oh fuck!"
He lives right here in this set of bushes right here. This guy here.
They're not aggressive.
No, they're not. He's a gopher snake?
Yeah, he lives in the bushes right here.
Yeah.
I've seen it. That's not the first time I've seen him. So he startled me the first time I saw him. That came out of my skin.
He's just a little guy. I always thought they had a bigger head. I remember seeing him. I had this friend.
All I know is there's no diamonds on him, so I'm good to go.
Yep.
Yeah.
No diamonds, we're safe.
You get a close up.